Your spirit team's got your back 100%. You know, this card wasn't even part of the reading, butterflies, but I was drawn to it because the young lady here is holding 10 wands. And this is, for me personally, for this reading, this is the embodiment of your spiritual team and how much they are carrying for you and how much they are pushing things out of your way to make sure that you receive the abundance that you desire, that you actually deserve. You know, your spirit team has revealed the truth about individuals. These individuals could be past friends, friends that you thought you would go through many cycles with. But your spirit team has or will expose the truth of these friendships. You know, some of these friendships were built off faulty ground and they left you feeling very drained and disheveled. But for some of you, your spirit team has actually, what I'm hearing is, blocked a friendship from coming together. You may have felt like you vibed with this individual. You may have felt as if you got on and the connection could transform to something beautiful, but this individual was very toxic, or they would have done something very toxic towards you later on down the line. And for some of you, this was an ongoing friendship, an ongoing relationship in some cases, unfortunately. But I'm hearing for some of you, you're saying, no, fortunately, I'm happy that it's over. But on the real, you may have felt like you and this person were going to be friends for a long time. You may have had a connection with them, but your spirit team interjected because things were not as it seemed. Maybe this person had a hidden agenda. Maybe this person was manipulating you. Maybe this person was doing the most. You know, you may have felt like this friendship was one way, but it was presented to maybe others that it was another way, right? For some of you, I feel like your spirit team interjected in regards to you not marrying someone. Had you married this person, had this person been your husband or your wife, I'm hearing for some of you, you would have been left bankrupt. You would have been extremely unhappy. This person would have done, if you had ended up having children with them, fatherly duties and motherly duties is what I'm hearing as well. But there's something about you feeling like you missed out on an opportunity in regards to a job. But Spirit is saying that, no, that job there, all that glitters is not gold, because it may have appeared to be glamorous when you saw the advert, but the organization is not run well. The organization would have went bust eventually, and that would have left you feeling at a standstill. And you don't want to go into a situation whereby you've got this new job and then, let's say, 8 months down the line, you haven't got the job anymore because someone's stealing from the company, or the company's going downhill because people don't know what they're doing and everyone's being made redundant. So if you feel like you missed out on an opportunity for a job, Spirit is saying it was actually for your protection. It may not feel like that now, but what you will gain after this actual situation is far better. Trust me. And whatever you're going to receive is going to come before November, is what I'm hearing, before Sagittarius season. Again, Spirit is highlighting that some of you may have wanted to befriend an individual, or you may have felt like you're not in contact with certain family members, certain friends from the past. It's all for a reason. They are not the same people that you knew before. You know, everyone evolves, everyone changes, everyone has different life experiences. And some of these individuals, well, most of them, they're not in alignment with you. So don't feel like it's a loss, because you could be stuck on how things used to be. But where they are at now is not in alignment with you. And also, there may have been an individual who may have appeared very, kind, caring, very giving, but this individual was strategic, and spirit placed someone to protect you. And maybe in the past, this could be the Six of Cups energy here, right? Maybe in the past, this person was investing in the connection for their own gains, and someone could see through that, and someone blocked it. And this person has no choice but to back off. Spirit was actually moving through someone to be your protector because they could see what you couldn't see. And Spirit made sure that they sent someone else in that was new to the situation, that you would be more connected with on a mental level. They were your eyes because you had this bond with this individual. And if anyone else was to tell you that this person wasn't for you, you wouldn't have believed them. But because it was coming from this actual source, this powerful source that was channeling energy, channeling Archangel Michael, you took notice. For some of you, this person may have straight out told you, look, this person is not what they seem, or through this person's actions, you were able to maneuver in a certain way. This person put up a lot of blockages to actually help you. You may not have been aware of it during the time, but because you have that mental connection with this individual, you were able to see this other person. And it's not a situation of, because I always say like attracts like, right? And you are who you hang around and all of that. This is not that situation. This situation is much deeper, because this is the Page of Pentacles, and whoever interjected in this scenario with you and this Page of Pentacles energy could foresee that if you continue to align with this Page of Pentacles energy, you will indeed stay on that level of being a page. Whereas with this individual, this person's a king, they're coming up as a King of Swords. They were sent in to help you to evolve. And for some of you, this individual has also been sent in through spirit to help you cut away from toxic family dynamics, manipulation that's going on in your family. They will lead by example. They may not tell you what you need to do because there's a level of respect, but they will show you how they feel about certain situations that you are experiencing by showing you a new way of life. And you will find when you connect with this person that you're more happier. You are experiencing life the way that you've never experienced it before. And that's because of their interjection, right? That's because of their help. They've been sent to help you. And, it can go two ways, but I feel like this person will call certain things out for some of you, but they will also show you through their way of living life. They're very independent as well. They're going to teach you how to become more independent as opposed to being codependent. And they're going to strip anyone's toxicity away. They're going to put a blockage up to that. And that does include family members also. They're going to break down the illusions that you felt was real. And they're going to help you put a close to toxic connections that should have been closed out a long time ago. Spirit is also coming in to say that some of you are actually going to travel. Some of you are closing out a cycle of a very turbulent 9 years. And you're moving towards a more positive cycle. But this does require you to heal. And for some of you, yes, you're going to be letting certain people go that you may have thought could continue with you in this new 9-year cycle. But again, with that energy coming in, that energy of protection, they were sent because whoever you were connected to could have actually ruined your reputation. And you're not supposed to move forward with these people anymore. Again, this could also be connected to a mother or a family member. People will be trying to cling onto your energy, and maybe in the past when they were in this energy, you had that way of feeling guilty, feeling obligated to go back to what you once knew. But those blockages are going to be removed, because maybe you felt at the time you lack support, you wouldn't have anyone. This is what these people had you believing. And again, you're going to thank your spirit guides, God, whoever you believe in, for this individual, because like I said, they're going to teach you about being independent. There may be a mentor, there may be a father figure. Please take what resonates, but they're going to show you that those limitations that you had were just all in the mind, or they were projections from those that wanted to control you. And you're going to start seeing people for who they really are. And some of those connections are going to end drastically. These individuals are going to be quite shocked, because they're going to feel to themselves, but we were so close at one point. And it's almost as if you had a personality transplant, but it's not that. It's because things are shifting in the now, and it's your spirit guides working behind the scenes, because like I said, your spirit guides are holding a lot up for you. The toxicities of individuals, making sure that you don't get certain positions, because these positions would be a burden. There's a lot going on here, and it could bring up a lot of fears, but Spirit is saying to work with your emotions, journal your thoughts, and do the inner work. Face your fears, because a lot of fears may come up. A lot of realizations are going to come up as well, realizing the truth about certain people and having to confront that and having to feel those feelings after that confrontation with the truth about situations and people. Learning that some people were actually hidden enemies and they were trying to compete with you. Also learning that not every action taken against you deserves a reaction. It's about putting an end to the past and walking away. You will be more self-expressive right now. You will be, I'm hearing Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, feeling myself. You'll be feeling yourself 100%. But more so than that, you are going to be speaking your truth finally, expressing your feelings, because you are actually carrying a lot. And Spirit's like, we take over from here. Certain family members are going to be called out and they're not going to like it. But this is for your higher good, because you deserve peace, a life of peace, a life whereby you can start investing in yourself, into your future. Spirit wants you to be more aware of people that operate in this energy, have more discernment. Sometimes people find roles for themselves in your life so that you become reliant on them for their own gain, so that you don't second guess them, so that you find them reliable, so that you don't have to, in their view, have to rely on yourself. And it's all based around control. And you're going to overcome any type of heartbreak or pain that you felt that you would never be able to overcome. Because some of you are in certain dynamics right now. Some of you are feeling, I wish I got that job, or I wish I got this thing, or I wish, this worked out with this person, but you will overcome this pain. I say that lightly because, when we go through certain experiences, we all experience things differently to different extents, and it takes as long as it takes to heal from our experiences. But you'll look back in hindsight and think to yourself, you know what, I am so happy I did not, that's the feeling that I'm getting, a sigh of relief. And Spirit's got your back, because What's destined for you is happiness. What's destined for you is success, good health, travel, fun, inviting more fun in your life, feeling happier again. And it's not a punishment, you know, because some of you are going to be wrapping things up, and that includes people. But Spirit doesn't want you to drag any dense energies into the new, because these individuals, this situation, this mindset will not be in alignment with what's waiting for you in the future. And that's why Spirit is introducing people into your life, new soul families as well, you know, people from different backgrounds, people that are in alignment with you, people that you feel connected to, soul sisters, soul brothers. You know, you can meet these people when you travel, when you go to another country, or they could come from another country than the one that you come from, or you may meet them wherever you are. You could meet them at university, you could meet them at some type of higher learning program that you're doing when you're out and about, roller skating. You may meet other skaters, and then you hit it off. And then you realize you got a lot of things in common. Obviously you do, because you both skate, right? But blessings await for you. It may feel quite turbulent and uncertain, and that's normal. And there could be insecurities around. But if I release these people, all this thought, what have I got? This is what you've got. The sun, happiness, prosperity, joy, peace, protection.